everyone, my name is Kalvin from P6 Sj, and today I'm going to tell you the story. Do you know what kind of story I'm going to tell you? The title of the story is about the three little pigs. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs. One day, they went out to build their own houses. The first little pig built his house out of straw. The second little pig built his house out of sticks. And the third little pig built his house out of bricks. One day, the big bad wolf went up to the house of straw. And he said, little pig, let me come in," he said. But the first little pig said, "By the hair of my chin, I will never let you in." "Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your ass down." Then the first little pig ran up to the house of sticks. And he said, let me in. The big bad wolf is after me." Then the big bad wolf said, little pig, let me come in." But the second little pig said, "By the hair of my chin, I will never let you in." "Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down." The two little pigs ran up to the house of bricks, and they said, let us in, the big bad wolf is after us." The big bad wolf said, little pig, let me come in." But the third little pig said, "By the hair of my chin, I will never let you in." "Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down." He tried so much, but he couldn't blow the house down. But he saw the chimney on top of the brick roof. So what he did is he climbed up the chimney. But he didn't know that there was a hot, steamy pot under the chimney. Splash! And that was the end of the big bad wolf.